This week I'm testing the Polestar 2, and these are my top 3 family-friendly Baby Drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is the Polestar 2 is a beautiful car to drive. It's so smooth, and being fully electric, it's lovely and quiet. And you've got all those benefits of driving your kids to sleep, or doing school runs, or sitting while they're sleeping with the aircon running without churning through fuel. Number 2 is the boot space in the Polestar 2. It's fantastic for families. It's really nice and big, and you can easily fit a twin or double pram in the boot here, with some room for your shopping as well. Number 3 are the seats in the Polestar. I absolutely love this vegan upholstery. It's really easy to keep clean and easy to wipe any children's spills or crumbs off too. Also, the legroom in the Polestar is fantastic. In front of a rear-facing InfoSecure Attain More child seat, we could fit a 186cm driver. I have loved driving the Polestar 2 this week with my family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.